sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Arabella Hair. Okay, so this is a package. Okay, it's a drawstring bag that I got. It's branded. Okay, so before we get into that, let's see what goodies we got. A wig cap, elastic band branded Arabella Hair, a edge brush and comb, and lastly I got a pair of lashes. For today's wig, oh my gosh, guys, I got this gorgeous red purple 13x4 HD lace front Bodywave wig from Arabella. Let me tell you, usually, you know, I get processed hair and I'll tell you that, okay, it's processed, you know, naturally it's going to be a little coarse. This is completely soft and silky. Can you tell? It's super bouncy and full. The color job is beautiful. It's that nice street vibe. Like, look at that. You see how the sheen looks? Like, it has this really nice natural luster. And it's lightly pre-plucked. It's a HD lace, as I mentioned. And it looks really good. So this is also 24 inches long. I'll be sure to put all that information down below in the description box, you know, like density and all of that good stuff as well. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. I am super pleased. Super pleased. The curls feel really good and it's full to the tip of the hair. So inside of the cap also has a extra like elastic band for extra security, as you know, and there are adjustable straps in the back as well. Looks really good. So let's go ahead and put this on. I would love to rock these curls just like waves, rather, just like they are in the wig, because it looks so nice and uniform. By the way, I must tell you guys, it's the first time I'm actually trying out a color combination like this. Like, it's looking more pink. It's not pink, I don't like pink. But you know, I really do be trying stuff for you guys and just giving you variety, you know?
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me.
So I'm gonna go ahead and take my olive oil fix it spray
That I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again.
Streaks are so nicely done. Like, I'm just so excited. I don't even feel like I need to use concealer on the lace portion. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply my wax stick.
Been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you...
I'm just gonna use my fingers to kind of like run through the hair, make it even more fluffy. So as I run my fingers through, I'm now feeling that, okay, yes, it's a little coarse. It's a little coarse due to the color, I would say. That's definitely what it feels like. You know, and I am getting some shedding from it. So this is how it looks. It's real pretty. Oh my gosh, it definitely maintained the curls. It's so pretty. So as I run my hands through it, I'm getting shedding, like I'm getting just a few strands. So yeah, see, I'm getting a few strands from it. But yeah, that's how we're looking. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so gorgeous. You want to step outside of the box and, you know, step out of your comfort zone if you're usually like a 1B girly. This is nice, especially if you like a color like this. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So, you know, if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and get it there. You know, all the specifications will be listed on this wig down below as well. So please go ahead, check that out. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Arabella Hair once more. This is absolutely stunning. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
That we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.